Imagine you're cleaning out your old wallet. You find a Tangerine debit card. Have you ever come across an old bank card and wondered, hey, does this place even exist anymore? Today, we're diving into the mystery of Tangerine Bank. Does it still hold its ground in the ever-evolving financial landscape? Tangerine Bank, formerly known as ING Direct, was a pioneer in online banking. They were one of the first to offer high-interest savings accounts and no-fee checking. But as the financial world shifted, so did the expectations of customers. 1. The rise of Tangerine. Early days. Let's rewind to the early 2000s. Tangerine was a breath of fresh air in a world dominated by traditional brick-and-mortar banks. Their focus on convenience, competitive rates, and a customer-centric approach set them apart. The ING Direct era. As ING Direct, they gained a loyal following, especially among young adults and tech-savvy consumers. Their innovative online platform and unique offerings made them a household name. 2. The shift in banking. Mobile banking revolution. The rise of smartphones and mobile apps transformed the way people interact with their finances. Traditional banks were forced to adapt, and Tangerine was no exception. Increased competition. New fintech companies entered the market, offering even more competitive rates and innovative features. Tangerine had to stay ahead of the curve to remain relevant. 3. Tangerine's evolution. Rebranding. In 2014, ING Direct rebranded to Tangerine. This was a strategic move to further distance themselves from their parent company and establish a stronger brand identity. Expanding product offerings, Tangerine introduced new products and services such as mortgages, investment options, and credit cards. This diversification helped them cater to a wider range of customers. Focus on customer experience. Despite the changing landscape, Tangerine continued to prioritize customer satisfaction. They invested in their online platform and customer support to ensure a seamless experience. 4. So, does Tangerine still exist? The answer is yes. Tangerine remains a viable and thriving bank. They have a strong online presence, a loyal customer base, and a commitment to providing competitive financial products. Recent developments. Tangerine has continued to innovate and adapt to the evolving needs of their customers. They have introduced new features, partnered with other financial institutions, and expanded their reach. Customer reviews and testimonials. Let's hear from real Tangerine customers. We'll share some reviews and testimonials to get a first-hand perspective on their experience with the bank. 5. Is Tangerine right for you? Consider your needs. Before making a decision, it's important to assess your personal financial goals and preferences. Tangerine may be a good fit if you value convenience, competitive rates, and a digital-first approach. Compare and contrast. Don't forget to compare Tangerine to other banks and financial institutions. Look at factors such as fees, interest rates, customer service, and product offerings. Tangerine's enduring legacy. Despite the challenges and changes in the banking industry, Tangerine has managed to maintain its relevance and reputation. They have proven to be a reliable and innovative financial institution. A final thought. Whether you're a longtime Tangerine customer or considering joining, it's clear that they have a strong foundation and a promising future. Visit Tangerine's website. If you're interested in learning more about Tangerine's products and services, visit their website. Subscribe for more financial tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial advice and updates. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.